Welcome, dear students. Today, this is the session 6 on sampling techniques and design of experiments. In this session, we are going to discuss notations and terminology, sample unit in terms of population unit, population mean with its example, sample mean and its calculation through an example. Okay, let capital N is the size of population, that is the number of units in the population. Y be the character under study. This character may be height, income, expenditure, marks, whatever it may be. Let capital Y1, Y2, Yn are the values of the population character, that is population units. And small y1, small y2, small yn are the sample units. Here, sample unit yi can be written in terms of population unit also, as it is a part or subset drawn from the population. That is, yi is equal to ai into capital yi. This capital yi become small yi by multiplying with ai. Here, this ai is the random variable defined as it is equal to 1 if ith unit is included in the sample. Ai is equal to 0 if ith unit is not included in the sample. If ai is equal to 1, it is selected as sample. If it is equal to 0, it is not selected into the sample. Let us look at this through notations. Consider a population with 5 units, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. If we draw a random sample from the above population, since all the units has equal chance, a random variable has to assign to each unit in the population. That is ai into y1, ai into y2, ai into y3, so on. If y1 is selected, it implies that here ai is equal to 1, since this y1 unit is selected. All the remaining ai's are 0 here because they are not selected. In one draw, we can select one unit only, so ai is equal to 1 for y1. Similarly, if y2 is selected, for y2 only ai is equal to 1. All the remaining units are multiplied with 0. Okay, since the random variable become 1 only, the population units become sample unit. We denote the sample unit in small alphabets, y1, y2 like that, small letters, according to our convenience, but they are not small, but they are population units included into the sample. Remember that the first unit in the population y1 need not be the first unit in the sample small y1. It is the randomly selected first unit in the sample. Also, sample units are not different, they are not small, They are not different values. They are population units only. Let us consider this through a numerical example, and example for this is for population mean. Values are 1, 2, 3, 6 and 8. These are the 5 population units. We have to draw a sample of size 2 without replacement. We can draw, we have 5 units. Y1 is equal to 1, Y2 is equal to 2, Y3 is equal to 3, Y4 is equal to 6 and Y5 is equal to 8. This is the formula for population mean. Y bar capital N is equal to 1 by n into summation I is equal to 1 to n yi. Just adding all the population units and dividing with 5, we get 4. 4 is the population mean. Here, this is the formula for sample mean. Similar to population mean, only thing is this capital N becomes small n. Capital Y becomes small y. This small y bar n can also be written as y bar n is equal to 1 by n, because there are n units in the sample, and summation I is equal to 1 to capital N ai into yi. Since we can write this small yi as ai into yi. Here we are multiplying this all population units with ai. We have to apply the randomness to all population units. So here capital N. You know ai is equal to 1 if ith unit is included in the sample. ai is equal to 0 if ith unit is not included in the sample. Let us look at the example discussed for population mean. We can draw 5C2 samples of size 2, that is 10 samples. The 10 samples are, look here, this is in green color. I am giving sample units green color. These are the possible samples, y1, y2, y1, y3, y1, y4, like that. These are the 10 possible samples drawn from 5 population units without replacement. Substituting the population values, we get this. These are in blue color. I am giving population units in the blue color. This means that they are not different values. They are population values only. The first sample is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 6, like that. These are the 10 samples. Here, each sample 2 population units included. Let us see the selection procedure of the first sample 1, 2. For 1, 2, the population units are 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. But ai is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 for 1 only. All the remaining 2, 3, 6, 8, the ai is equal to 0. Similarly, for 2 also, here ai is equal to 1 for this unit only. All the remaining units, it is 0. So the population first sample units are 1 and 2. This is our first sample. We can calculate the sample mean like this. Look here carefully. These are the sample values. This is the formula y1, y2 by 2. Here we have 2 samples only. These are the sample means. Okay. Thank you.